Assalamualaikum, my name is Alif Adam and this is our group's final PMP report for project management. Here you can see a Gantt chart, which is our Gantt chart. A Gantt chart is the most popular method that is always used in any project management. A Gantt chart is just simply a simple diagram that shows the progress from start to finish, and below is our Gantt chart.
For the background of our company, Kaiser Berhad intends to create a pontoon bridge to those who live in a rural part of Malaysia. In this modern era, some kids living in a rural Malaysia don't have the luxury such as roads and vehicles. So, we developing a pontoon bridge, also known as a floating bridge, use float or shallow draft boat to support a continuous deck for pedestrian and vehicle travel. The bridge is designed to be adaptable to whatever the condition demands. Introduction. Kaiser Berhad is an independent company that designs and develops mechanical technologies as an alternative solution to problems that we often meet in our life. Our company has years of experience in designing and building products by utilizing materials that are eco-friendly and safe to environment. We hope to explore new mix of field in development, operation, and maintenance to boost our market value and gain a good reputation among top global companies.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Alif HAIQAL and I want to explain about our project charter. Our project charter is divided into 4 sections, which is the risk, the vision, the issues and the objectives. For the risk, our project is dealing with the stability of the bridge towards high tide and the susceptibility to damage from the weather. Our vision is to ease people to cross the river or lake safely. For our issues, when we build this bridge, we are afraid it's gonna disturb the boat to cross the river or lake. Our bridge also need high maintenance and nuisance, and also there's gonna be a noise pollution when the construction is ongoing. Our objectives is to make the first floating bridge in Malaysia. We are also aiming to reduce the cost to cross the river or lake than using a boat or ferry. For our project planning, we wanted to create a bridge that did not take much space and also have strength to stay firm and safe when the current of the river flows toward it. And also, we want it is easily accessed for the vehicles to cross the river by using this bridge. We are also aiming to build an environmental friendly bridge that did not harm the aquatic life in the river, and also build a path that can be used by the people nearby to cross the river safely.
My name is MUHAMAD ZAFRIN. For the suggestion 1, term of payment, the item that need to pay is fabrication, inventory, preparation and construction. So the total of needed to pay is 740,750. Next, for annual cost that we need to pay is direct manufacturing, fixed charges and general expenses. The total of all of this is 200,000 ringgit. For subsection 2, deadline and penalties. First of all, serviceability. The pontoon bridge that are not constantly serviced will eventually reduce its durability and the material may decay over time. Regular service and maintenance can extend the lifespan of the bridge and ensure the bridge functions efficiently. With the constant service of every month, the bridge can keep the function at its most effective and safest. Second, the maintenance. Developing and operating manual will ensure the pontoon bridge to always at its safest and solid condition to be used. The purpose of the manual is to provide the guidelines and procedure for regular inspection, maintenance and operation of the bridge to extend the service life of the bridge. Force major. None of the parties are responsible for any natural disaster or environmental incident that may affect the delay or progress of the project.
Assalamualaikum. My name is MUHAMAD YUNUS, A165756. For subsection 3, warranty. Our project has two significant warranty offers, which are time-based warranties and general warranties. For time-based warranties, we promise that a particular thing will be in a particular state at a specific point in time or remain in that state for a specific period of time. For general warranties, within the meaning used by industries, general contractual warranties are other contractual promises given by the contractor or supplier that are not time-based warranties. For subsection 4, insurance. A. Scope of insurance. Design. Material damage. It provides protection against shock and any possible loss or damage associated with or risk involved in the construction of Pontoon bridge site during the insurance period. For transport, legal liability. It's a policy that protects your legal liability as well as defend costs and expense when you transport and store the goods and merchandise in your care, custody and control. Coverage apply with the goods and merchandise are temporarily stored in the warehouse you operate in and on a vehicle in the ordinary course of transit. B. Evidence of insurance. Holder of fit-in approval holder shall, upon receive a written request from the distribution license, produce to the distribution license that policy of insurance and receipt of payment of the current premiums, and shall provide the distribution license with certified true copy of the word document. C. Failure of insurance. Failure to insure shall not receive the fit-in approval holder or its obligation to maintain the insurance coverage described herein, nor shall failure to obtain or claim.
Moving on to SWOT analysis. For our strength, it is a cheaper alternative than using normal bridges, and it can be used by people as well as vehicles to cross the river. For our weaknesses, when undergoing construction, it may cause noise pollution, and it might block the path for boats as it is placed across the river. For the opportunities, it can help develop a more eco-friendly type of bridges that is less expensive. As for the threat, might get malfunction if it does not have enough maintenance, and people might doubt the safety of the bridges.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Harith FARHAN bin SHAROL, and my metric number is A163756. I want to explain about subsection 5, which is about fixed price contract. Basically, fixed charge contract is a kind of settlement that is used in project management, where payment is not dependent on the sources or time spent. This requires persistent charging for the goods, services or settlement defined results. So in this subsection, there are three types of fixed price contract. The first one is firm fixed price or FFP contract. This contract is to complete the work whereby the buyer must pay the seller a set amount regardless of the seller cost. The second one is fixed price economic price adjustment or FPEPA contract. This contract is a fixed charge settlement with an economic rate change allow for an upward and downward overhaul of the agreed settlement rate if different contingencies arise. And the last type of fixed contract is fixed price incentive firm target or FPIF contract. So this is a fixed price contract that provide the final contract value by way of a formula based entirely on the relationship of the very last agreed gross compensation to the overall target cost for changing earning and creating. So for subsection 6, it is about safety and occupational health of workers. So for our project, employees are between 18 and 50 years of age and have good health conditions. So we also employ only trained workers that are permitted on site and are registered with the Commission for the Improvement of Industry in Construction or CIDB. Compensation will be provided over the period of time needed for medical needs. Money sum is dependent on case definition depending on the type of protection given by CIDB. So the example case is death caused by accident. We provide 21,000. Next is death caused by illness or disease, 3,000. Funeral fees, 500 ringgit. Permanent disability caused by accident, maximum is 18,000 ringgit. And permanent disability of whole body caused by illness or disease, 3,000 ringgit. And lastly, hospital ward benefit caused by accident, 30 days max, 25 ringgit per day. Thank you.
Subsection 7. Miscellaneous. Waiver. On broker's part, there is no failure to exercise and there is no delay in any exercises. For notices, any notices or other communications necessary or allowed to be provided by this guarantee must be given in writing and either sent by certified prepaid or by regulated postal service. Number 3, by subscription to a third-party commercial delivery company with evidence of delivery to addresses office. Amendment. Such guarantee can be amended only by an instrument in writing performed by the party or an approved representative of the party to which such amendment apply. For recital, the recital and introductory paragraph here are a part of this form the basis of this assurance and shall be considered prima facie proof of the facts and documents referred to it. Applicable law. This guarantee shall be regulated by and read in accordance with the law of the State of Malaysia and the Sustainable Energy Development applicable by Malaysia Authority under 2011 Renewable Energy Act. And for the conclusion, the problem facing by the people living in the rural part of Malaysia will be solved by developing the pontoon bridge, since the bridge produced will have an eco-friendly resources and will be able to transport people easily. This issue will surely be controlled and resolved.